Christmas. One of my least favorite times of year. Why? Because I'm one of those few people that doesn't have a family or a life or anything outside of my work and YouTube. So I'm not going to set that on fire. Should I care if I set that on fire? Alright. There we go. I mean, I do set things on fire all the time. I mean, it's not a uncommon thing around here. I mean, like, Jesus, you should see the amount of times that I've actually set myself on fire. But anyway, I'm going to start doing a new series of clips that I'm going to be calling Quick Tips, Just the Tips. And they're going to be little tips that will help you guys as small WISP operators, small telecoms, you know, that sort of thing, so that, you know, makes you more efficient at your job. So, the first one of these clips that I'm going to demonstrate for you is, oh, Miss Jenkins down the road. Miss Jenkins, what a doll. You come over to her place because her internet doesn't work and she thinks that you're a piece of shit and that you're ripping her off and your company is horrendous and you shouldn't even be selling internet because you know what? Why not, right? Well, you get over to her place and once again you find out that she has plugged in the cable in the wrong spot. Okay, so you come over again, plug it into the right spot. It's still your fault, so she doesn't want to have to pay for the service call. How do you prevent this from happening? Very simple. You take your little cutters like so, and you'll see that the tab here, there's your locking pin right there. It's the larger part. The thinner part is the handle. Watch, it's as simple as this. My eyeball just got hit. Alright, so we just plug that in like so. Oh no! I can't unplug it anymore! How does that happen? Well, that solves your problem. And that works on any device that uses this type of connector. Let's demonstrate that one more time. See the little tab there? How there's the fat part and the skinny part? Whoop-de-doo! Okay, that one hit me in the nipple. Alright. Look! You can't unplug them. Now you're probably asking, wow, you're an idiot. Why would you do such a stupid thing? Well, I'm insane, but I'm not an idiot. So, let's show you here. All you need is to stick something in there, like a little piece of wire or a knife or something, right? So, here, I'll just take this little X-Acto knife here and watch. You get this in here like so, and you can actually see the plastic tab. See? You push it. A matter of getting that in there. There we go. And it pops out, just like so. So this is the idea for saving you guys on a service call. Is simply cut the fucking tab off and then the people who keep tampering with their stuff won't be able to tamper with it anymore. Well, this was a quick tip from Ms.Fixit. I hope you enjoyed just the tip.